Hi guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif. In this particular video, we will discuss all the PYQs of KCET and COMEDK on applications of integrals. This is part one. Right? Hi Disha. Right. Wherever possible, tricks and results are there. I'll give you guys. Question number one: area bounded by the curve. See, if you have suppose like this, area bounded by y square is equal to 4x. Area bounded by y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4ay. Then area will be area bounded by the curves y square is equal to 4x, x square is equal to 4ay. This is 16a square by 3. Right, now this area bounded by the curve, this is of the form y equal to x square and x square is equal to y. If you compare, you will get 4a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1 by 4. Right, now area is equal to, if I substitute here, area is equal to 16 by 3 a square, that is 1 by 4 the whole square. Area is equal to 16 by 3, 1 by 4 the whole square is equal to 16. 16 will cancel 16, area is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 square units, answer is option B. You understand guys? Just use the shortcut. Area bounded by y square is equal to 4x, x square is equal to 4ay, area is 16a square by 3. Let's move to the next question. See, now you have to do the problem. 2015 question. Y is equal to x cube is a cubic function. Okay, now y is equal to x cube is a cubic function. Y is equal to 0 to y equal to 8. This is y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 8. This function, this area I'm supposed to find out. Right, now area is equal to integration of y is equal to 0 to y equal to 8. Alright, and then function of x dx. Y equal to x cube, right? Y equal to x cube can be written as y is equal to x cube can be written as x is equal to y to the power of 1 by 3. So this is y to the power of 1 by 3 and then this is dy. Area is equal to integration of y power 1 by 3 is y to the power of 4 by 3 upon 4 by 3 between the limits 0 to 8. Area is equal to, this goes to numerator, you get 4 by 3 and then this is 8 to the power of 4 by 3 minus 0. Okay, area is equal to 4 by 3 and this is 2 cube to the power of 4 by 3. 3 and 3 cancels, area is equal to 4 by 3 and 2 power 4 is 16. 16 into 4 is x is equal to y power 1 by 3, right? So this is 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. This goes to numerator. Sorry, this is 3 by 4. So this goes to numerator. This is 3 by 4. Now upper limit is equal to 8 to the power of 4 by 3. Lower limit is 0. Area is equal to 3 by 4. This is 2 cube to the power of 4 by 3. 3 will cancel with 3. Right, now if I simplify this, area is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, area is equal to 3 by 4. 2 power 4 is 16. This will cancel 4 times. 4 into 3 is 12. So you get 12 square units. Answer is option C. 2015 question. Alright, let's move to the next question. See, again, you can use the shortcut. Area bounded by the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Area bounded by the parabola y square is equal to 4x and the line y is equal to mx. Okay, area is equal to 8a square by 3m cube. 8a square by 3m cube. If you compare, you get 4a is equal to 2. and then m is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 by 2, m is equal to 1, area is equal to 8 a square. A square will be equal to 1 by 4 and then 8 m cube. A square is equal to 1 by 4 and then you get 3 m cube. M cube is 1. This will cancel 2 times. Area will be equal to 2 by 3 square units. Answer is option D. Alright, remember the shortcut. Y square is equal to 4x and line y is equal to mx is 8a square by 3 m cube. You understand, guys? Very useful results. Alright, let's move to the next question. Area bounded by y equal to x square and the line y is equal to 16. Okay, y is equal to x square or x square is equal to y is an upward parabola. It's an upward parabola and y is equal to 16. This area I'm supposed to find out. Okay, now this can be written as just a sec, guys. Just a sec. Y is equal to 16. Okay, x square is equal to y is an upward parabola. Okay, y is equal to 16 and then x axis y is equal to 0. Now area is equal to, okay, 2 times. Why am I multiplying by 2? I'll find only in the first quadrant, multiply by 2 you get the area. So area is equal to integration of y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 16 and then you get function of y dy. I'll find out only in the first quadrant and multiply by 2, I get the complete area. Okay, now area is equal to 2 times. This is 0 to 16. Okay, and then function of y equal to x square is equal to y can be written as x is equal to root y. This is y power half and then this is dy. Integration of y power half is y to the power of 3 by 2, right, and then 3 by 2. 3 by 2 between the limits is 0 to 16. Okay, now area is equal to area is equal to 4 by 3. Upper limit is 16 to the power of 3 by 2 and lower limit is 0. Area is equal to 4 by 3. This is 4 square to the power of 3 by 2. 2 and 2 cancels. 4 by 3. 4 cube is 64, right? 64 into 4 is 256. 256 by 3 square units. Answer is option C. This was asked in 2017 paper. Alright, let's move to the next question. Area bounded by y equal to cos x between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi. Okay, now this is x is equal to, if I take suppose cos x graph. Okay, this should be cos x graph, right? So this is minus pi by 2 and then this is plus pi by 2. Okay, and then this is 0 and then you get a cos x graph. And then you get pi right here. This is pi cos pi minus 1. Cos 0 is 1. Okay, and cos 90 is 0. This area I'm supposed to find out. Alright, now area is equal to 2 times integration of 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 and then you get this as cos x dx. 2 times integration of cos x is sin x. Just a sec, guys. Integration of cos x is sin x between the limits is 0 to pi by 2. 2 into upper limit minus lower limit, right? So if I substitute now, upper limit will be sin pi by 2, lower limit is sin 0. Sin 0, 0, sin 91, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. That is 2 square units. Answer is option C. Alright, this was asked in 2018 paper. Let's move to the next question. Okay, area bounded by the line y is equal to x axis, ordinates x equal to -1, x equal to 2. Okay, now if I suppose draw the graph, y is equal to x is a line which will pass through the origin. Okay, x is equal to -1 and x is equal to +2. So this is x is equal to 2 and x is equal to -1. This area I'm supposed to find out. Area above the x-axis will be positive. Okay, area above the x-axis will be positive. Area below the x-axis will be negative. Alright, now I'll write integration of -1 to 0 and then x dx plus integration of 0 to 2, 0 to 2 and then you get x dx. Area below the x-axis will be negative, that's why I'll keep a mod. Area is equal to integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits -1 to 0 and integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits 0 to 2. Right, now this is equal to half of upper limit is 0, lower limit is -1 the whole square. There's a mod here, plus half of upper limit 2 square is 4, lower limit is 0. Area will be equal to half. Take a mod, neglect the negative sign. Mod of minus half is plus half, plus 2. The area will be equal to 5 by 2 square units. Answer is option B. This was asked in 18 paper, guys. Let's move to the next question. Okay, question number 7. Area of the region above x-axis included between the parabola and the circle. Okay, 19 paper, quite challenging. Good question. Y square is equal to x and the circle x square plus y square. Okay, and the circle x square plus y square plus y square is equal to 2x or minus 2x is equal to 0. Let's call this as equation 1, call this as equation 2. Okay, I'm going to solve equations 1 and 2. If I solve equations 1 and 2, okay, solving equations 1 and 2, you take the value of y square and substitute, you will get this as x square plus x minus 2x is equal to 0. That is, you will get x square minus x is equal to 0. Take x common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. You will get x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 0, y square will be equal to 0. If x is equal to 1, y square is 1, you will get y is equal to plus minus 1. Okay, that's a point of intersection. Now if I take, suppose the circle, if I check what is center and the radius. Okay, now this x circle is x square plus minus 2x plus y square is equal to 0. Let me bring it to the standard form. X square minus 2x. Okay, I'll add 1, subtract 1 plus y square is equal to 0. First three terms is x minus 1 the whole square plus y square is equal to 1. So this is x minus 1 the whole square plus y square is equal to 1. This fellow is of the form x minus s the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. So it's a circle whose center is h comma k. It's a circle whose center is h comma k, that is 1 comma 0, radius is equal to 1. Right, now let me check. Now you get a circle. Okay, circle and okay, center 1 comma 0. Yeah, it's passing through the origin, right? Circle is passing through the origin. Okay, now listen. First, I'll draw the parabola. Parabola y square is equal to 4x is a right parabola. Okay, and then you get a circle which will pass through the origin. Circle which is passing through the origin. And the point of intersection of this will be equal to, point of intersection will be like this. Right, I'm getting the point of intersection as 0 comma 0 and 1 comma plus minus 1. 0 comma 0, this is 1 comma 1, this is 1 comma minus 1. Right, x is positive, y is negative. Yes, I'm supposed to find out this area. Drop the perpendicular, it will be 1 comma 0. This is x, this is y. See, according to the question, the area of the region above x-axis bounded between the parabola and the circle, that is the area above x-axis bounded between the circle and the parabola. Area is equal to 0 to 1. 0 to 1, it should be circle minus parabola dx. Circle minus parabola dx. So area is equal to integration of 0 to 1. Okay, and circle will be y a function of x square. This circle equation is x minus 1 the whole square plus y square is equal to 1. Yeah, x minus 1 the whole square plus y square is equal to 1. I can write this as y square is equal to 1 minus of x minus 1 the whole square. Y is equal to root of 1 square minus x minus 1 the whole square. So this fellow will be equal to root of 1 square minus x minus 1 the whole square dx. Minus integration 0 to 1, parabola y a function of x. This is y square is equal to x, right parabola. This is y is equal to root x dx. Alright, now let us integrate. This is equal to root of a square minus x square. Integration of root of a square minus x square formula is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. Sine inverse of x by a and plus c. So if I use this formula, area is equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square. Root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2, that is 1 by 2 sine inverse of x by a, sine inverse of x minus 1. Okay, between the limits 0 to 1. This is also between the limits 0 to 1. Integration of x power half is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Between the limits 0 to 1. Now if I substitute upper limit 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0. Lower limit, if I substitute 0, root of 1 square minus 1 square is 0. Plus half of upper limit, if I substitute, you will get sine inverse of 1 minus 1, 0. Lower limit is sine inverse of 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus to 2 by 3, upper limit 1, lower limit is 0. This will be 0. Minus and minus will be plus. So this is half, sine inverse of half is pi by 2. Minus 2 by 3. The final answer will be equal to pi by 4 minus 2 by 3. Okay, pi by 4 minus 2 by 3. Question number 7. Answers option B. This was asked in 2019 paper, guys. Alright, quite challenging. It was asked in 2019 paper. Alright, there's no shortcut can be applied. You have to find area above x-axis bounded between the parabola and the circle. Right, let's move to the next question. Alright, please go through the solution once again. Once I finish my session, you can watch the recording, go through the solution once again. Okay, question number 8. This was asked in 2019, again NCERT exemplar question. This problem is same as there in NCERT exemplar. Area bounded between cos and sine between 0 and pi by 2 and y-axis. See, this is 0 to pi. This is sine graph. Okay, x-axis, y-axis, sine 90 is 1. This is sine graph. Cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Sine and cos will cut at 45. Area bounded between cos and sine is between 0 and pi by 2 and y-axis, this area. Okay, now area is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 4. Cos between 0 and pi by 4, cos is more than sine. 0 to pi by 4, I'll take cos x. Okay, minus sin x dx. Now integration of cos x is sin x. Between the limits 0 to pi by 4. Okay, and integration of cos x is sin x. Okay, so this is 0 to pi by 4. Integration of minus sin is plus cos. Between the limits is 0 to pi by 4. Upper limit is sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 0 will be 0. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Cos 0 is 1. This will be 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 minus 1. 2 by root 2 is root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1 square units. Answer is option C. Yeah, Sanjana, work hard, okay? Whatever the days are left out, prepare well. You can do it, okay? Work hard. Let's move to the next question, guys. The area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 8x and y equal to 2x. This is 2020 question. See, again I can use the shortcut. If you have suppose y square is equal to 8x and the line y is equal to 2x. Okay, now this is of the form y square is equal to 4x. And then this is line y is equal to mx. Right, area bounded by y square is equal to 4x and line y is equal to mx. Area is equal to 8a square by 3m cube. If I compare, you get 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 2, and m is equal to 2. A is 2, m is 2. Area is equal to 8 into 2 square divided by 3 into 2 cube. Okay, so this is 8 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 cube is 8. This will cancel. Area is equal to 4 by 3 square units. Answer is option D. This was asked in 2020, so don't need to integrate parabola, line, nothing. Use the shortcut. Within 30 seconds you get the answer. Okay, let's move to the next question. Area of the region bounded by y is equal to 2x plus 1. X-axis and the ordinates minus 1 and plus 1. Even this was asked in 2020 paper. Okay, now let's say if I have y is equal to 2x plus 1. Y equal to 2x plus 1. If it is suppose x-axis, then y is equal to 0. You will get x is equal to minus half. And if it is suppose y-axis, x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 1. So point is 0 comma 1. Here the point is minus half comma 0. Right, now if I draw this line, right, so this is minus half comma 0. This fellow is 0 comma 1. Now I should find out area between -1 and +1. -1 and +1. So this area I'm supposed to find out. Okay, now this is area. Area is equal to integration of -1 to -half. -1 to -half. This is 2x plus 1, and then this is dx. Okay, this is capital A. This is a mod here. Plus integration of -half to +1, and then you get this as 2x plus 1 dx. Right, area above x-axis will be positive, area below x-axis will be negative. Now if I integrate, integration of x is x square by 2. Okay, coefficient of x is 2 divided by 2. Don't forget that between the limits. So this should be 4 actually. Between the limits -1 to -half. So there's a mod here. And integration of x is x square by 2. Between the limits, again coefficient of x is 2 divided by 2. Okay, between the limits -half to 1. Now this is area is equal to 1 upon 4. Area is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay, now if I substitute upper limit -half plus half will be 0. Lower limit is -2 plus 1, the whole square is -1. So there's a mod here. 1 upon 4. Okay, and upper limit will be equal to 2 plus 1, the whole square is 9. Lower limit is 0. Mod of minus is plus, you get 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4, which is 10 by 4, which is 5 by 2. Area is 5 by 2 square units. Alright, Sanjana, you start with the topics which you are comfortable first, but finish with the major area. Differentiation, integration, and 12th standard topics are the major area. So finish off all the 12s first. Alright, let's move to the next question, guys. So we have finished from 14 to 2020. Alright, now we'll do the other questions. Okay, and then at last I'll do the 21-22 questions, because there are some COMEDK questions which are really challenging. Y equal to x cube and y is equal to root x. See, y equal to x cube is a cubic function, right? Y equal to x cube is a cubic function, and y is equal to root x. This is the graph of root x. Y is equal to root x, that is semi-parabola. This is y equal to root x. This is the graph of y is equal to root x. Yes, this is y is equal to x cube. Root x and x cube will cut at 1, 1 only. Okay, if I drop the perpendicular, this is 1, 0. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now area is equal to 0 to 1. Okay, then you get a right parabola, that is root x minus x cube dx. Minus x cube into dx. So area is equal to integration of root x is x to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Between the limits is 0 to 1. X to the power of 4 by 4. Between the limits 0 to 1. 2 by 3, upper limit 1, lower limit is 0. Upper limit 1, lower limit is 0. This is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. LCM is 12, right? So you get this as 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5 by 12. Area is 5 by 12 square units. Alright, let me do one more question, guys. Area of the region bounded by this curve. So it's actually an ellipse, right? 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. If you divide by 36, you will get x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. This is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. If you compare, you get a square is 4 and b square is 9. That is, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Area is equal to pi ab, right? Area of an ellipse is pi ab. So if I multiply, I'll get 6 pi. That is 6 pi square units. Alright, area is 6 pi square units. Answer is option D. Alright, so I'll stop here, guys. In the next session, I will start with the remaining questions. I'll start from question number 13. I might take 2 or 3 sessions, another 2 sessions for this application of integrals. And then I'll start with differential equations. Alright, guys, thanks for joining. Alright, and please do share this video, guys.